In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Google Home app on Android. First, let's open the Google Play Store on your Android device. You can find this app on your home screen or in the app drawer. It usually has a colorful triangle icon. When you tap on it, the store will load, displaying a wide array of apps. This is where you can find thousands of applications to enhance your device's functionality. The Google Play Store is essential for downloading apps safely and efficiently. Next, look for the search bar at the top of the screen. It typically says search for apps and games. Tap on this bar to activate it. This will bring up your keyboard, allowing you to enter text. The search function is crucial because it helps you locate specific apps quickly, saving you time. Now, type in Google Home into the search bar. Ensure that you spell it correctly to find the right application. As you type, you might see suggestions appear, which can help you confirm that you're searching for the correct app. This step is important because it directs you to the official app you need for managing your smart home devices. Once you have typed Google Home, select the app from the list. Look for Google Home by Google LLC. It should be at or near the top of the search results. Selecting the correct app is essential because it ensures that you are downloading the official version, which is safe and reliable. Next, tap the Install button. This is usually a green button that you can easily spot. When you tap it, the app will begin downloading. The installation process may take a few moments, depending on your internet speed. This step is crucial because it starts the download of the app you need to control your smart home devices. While you wait for the download to finish, you can check the progress indicator. This appears at the top of the screen and shows how much of the app has been downloaded. It's always good to keep an eye on this so you know when the installation is complete. After the download is complete, tap the Open button. This allows you to launch the Google Home app right away. Opening the app immediately is a great way to ensure that everything is ready for you to start using. You'll be greeted with a friendly interface inviting you to set things up. Now sign in with your Google account. If you already have a Google account, enter your credentials. If you don't, you will need to create one. Signing in is vital because it connects the app with your Google services and smart devices. This process ensures that your smart home devices are linked correctly to your account. Next, allow the requested permissions if prompted. The app may ask for access to your location, device information, or other settings. Granting these permissions is important because it allows the app to function correctly and communicate with your devices. You may see a confirmation message after accepting the permissions. Finally, you are ready to start setting up and managing your compatible smart home devices. The official Google Home app is available on Google Play and has over 1 billion downloads, which speaks volumes about its popularity and reliability. You can now enjoy controlling your smart home seamlessly. That's all for this tutorial. You're now equipped to manage your smart home using the Google Home app. Thank you for watching.